In a barren land, a farmer pondered the meaning of life as he watched his fields turn to dust. What if the earth could heal itself? He mused. Inspired, he embraced regenerative agriculture, planting diverse crops and nurturing the soil with natural compost. His neighbors scoffed, clinging to their chemical ways. Yet, as seasons passed, his fields flourished, teeming with life. The soil speaks, he realized, and we must listen. His journey taught him that true wisdom lies in harmony with nature. The once skeptical neighbors now sought his guidance. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.